not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Who is appointed as the first Chief Justice of Telangana High Court? Praveen Kumar, T.B. Radhakrishnan, E.S.L. Narasimhan, Anjan Kumar. The answer is B. T.B. Radhakrishnan is appointed as the first Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. Earlier, the two Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, had common jurisdiction at Hyderabad, but now separate high courts for both the states realized on Jan 1st, 2019. Tottathil B. Radhakrishnan takes charge as the first Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. The Governor of Telangana is E.S.L. Narasimhan, who administered the oath of the Chief Justice. Praveen Kumar is appointed as the Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh. Which app has been developed by National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences to cure one's mobile addiction? Digital Detox, Healthify, Mindshift or Happify? The answer is A. Digital Detox. Now this app helps people to reduce the mobile usage. You can download the app on Google Play Store as Digital Detox by the SHUT Clinic. SHUT is the service for healthy usage of technology clinic in NIMHANS. NIMHANS is the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. Now this app tracks your pattern of mobile usage every week and offers self-help strategies. Study found that 75% of the app users changed their mobile use pattern and reduced their time spent on technology. Which of the following states have the highest number of ASI maintained sites? ASI is the Archaeological Survey of India. The options are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu or Rajasthan. The answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Now Uttar Pradesh had topped the list with highest number of ASI maintained sites. The state of Uttar Pradesh has almost 745 monuments under national importance, and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu has 506 and 413 monuments. So remember, these three states, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, top the list with highest number of ASI maintained sites. The Archaeological Survey of India declared 6 monuments of national importance in the year 2018. You need to remember all these 6 monuments name along with their places, very important from exam point of view. The last monument to be included in the list as the national importance was in the year 2015 Vishnu Temple of Nadavayal in Kerala. Now let's see the 6 monuments of national importance declared by the ASI in 2018. The first one is the ancient Neemrana Bauri with 170 steps in Rajasthan. Now this place is a holiday destination for the people of Rajasthan. The second one is the Bombay High Court premises at Nagpur in Maharashtra. This is almost 125-year-old High Court. The third one is Hathi Khana in Agra. This is one of the Mughal era monument. The remaining 3 are the Haveli of Aga Khan. This is also one of the Mughal era monument in Agra. The other 2 are group of temples at Ranipur Jerail of Odisha and Vishnu Temple Kotali in Uttarakhand. Remember all these 6 monuments, very important. Expect a question from this area. Who is appointed as a new Chief of Central Information Commission? Sunil Arora, Sudhir Bhargava, Alok Verma or Anil Dasmana? The answer is B. Sudhir Bhargava is the newly appointed Chief of the Central Information Commission, very important from exam point of view. Now he will take over as the 9th Chief of the CIC. CIC is the highest appeal body under Right to Information Act 2005. Sudhir Bhargava was the former secretary to the Social Justice Ministry. He He was sworn in by the President Ramnath Kovind. Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of India, and Anil Dasmana is the Chief of the Research and Analysis Wing. India achieves 100% electrification milestone in the year 2018 in how many states? 25 states, 27 states, 29 states, or 28 states? The answer is A, 25 states. India becomes 100% electrified in 25 states out of 29 states. The remaining states are Assam, Rajasthan, Meghalaya and Chhattisgarh. 10.48 lakh houses left to be electrified in these 4 states. Now this is the very important scheme you need to remember, Prime Minister's Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, which is also known as the Saubhagya scheme, which was launched in the year September 2017. The main aim of this scheme is to achieve the goal of universal household electrification in the country by the end of March 2019. Now expect the questions for State Public Service Commission or UPSC. This is a very important topic. Do remember each and every point that I have mentioned here. Who received ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year Award for 2018? Harmanpreet Kaur, Smriti Mandhana, Mithali Raj, Poonam Yadav. The answer is B, Smriti Mandhana. Smriti Mandhana, Vice Captain of Women's Cricket Team, received 2 awards. Rachel Hayfo Flint Award for the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year along with ICC Women's ODI Player of the Year. So remember these 2 awards received by Smriti Mandhana, a 22-year-old from Mumbai. She is a left-handed opener. She played a crucial role in India's semi-final appearance at the Women's World T20 in the West Indies. Now let's see the question for the day. Mention your answers in the comment section. Who was named Balkan Athlete of the Year 2018? Lionel Messi, Roger Federer, Luka Modric or Novak Djokovic? Let's see the answer for previous day question. Union Cabinet approves how much amount as project cost of Gaganyaan mission? The answer is B, 10,000 crore. As rightly answered by few people in the comment section. Rupa Ganesh, Ankur Dagar, Ashwin Mishra, Hari Lokesh. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Now Gaganyaan mission is very important topic from science and technology. You need to read each and every minute detail regarding this topic. Gaganyaan mission is India's first manned space mission to be accomplished by the end of 2022. Earlier we have discussed only 3 countries achieved this feat: United States, Russia and China. Let's see the quote for the day. It's not about perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens and that's how change occurs. Many people struggle to transform their lives. You might have kept many resolutions as New Year Eve, but you tend to give up after few days. Now the only solution is to make up your mind, renew your mind and be disciplined so that you can see the transformation. This is it for today. Have a happy year ahead. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.